Hey everybody, I was gifted some candle wreaths. You get 4 in this little bag, so they come very smooshed. But once you take them out of the package, they kind of fluff up. And what you can do, this is so easy, is you kind of look from the back and you push and then everything fluffs up. You have the different greens, the berries, the pine cone, you've got the glitter, got all the things. So let's put these around and see what they look like. I love the versatility of these. You can use these separately or all together. I wanted to show you with a few different candle options. So this is, love this scent. These just elevate the candle and make it look so festive. These are such great quality. You get the 4 candle wreaths, and these are perfect for that sort of farmhouse decor. And they are really nice plastic, and they are durable yet super gorgeous all at the same time. They are 4.3 inches in diameter, and so you can use them for so many places. Your bathroom, your kitchen. You could even put these on a front door. Absolutely gorgeous. I am loving these wreaths. I can't get enough of the sparkling snow, the pine cones, the berries, the greens, and the leaves. So many details in these tiny little beauties. You are going to love these. Definitely check them out. Links are below.